Hello everyone. Today's topic is AI creators, the future of cybersecurity collaboration. What if the defenders of tomorrow are not just humans, but humans are working side by side with AI? The future of cybersecurity is a powerful partnership. AI is not replacing cybersecurity experts, but it's amplifying them. From spotting phishing scams to detecting zero-day exploits in just a second, but AI tools helps analysts to see threats that humans could miss. Think of AI as your cyber co-pilot. It crunches massive data while you deciding the strategy, stopping the ransomware, blocking intrusion, protecting critical data. New roles are emerging like AI-powered SOC analyst, prompt engineers for threat hunting, and ethical AI auditor. But the human skills like intuition, context, and ethical judgment are priceless. Human plus AI collaboration will shape a safer digital world. How will you use to defend such type of attacks or scenario in the upcoming future?